Hi, my name is McKenzi Broussard, and I teach 6th grade reading here at Woodgate. I got into teaching back in 2010. I ended up changing majors and realized that education was my pathway. I've always had a love for teaching, reading, and I wanted to be able to help my students also develop a passion for reading. A fun fact about me, I guess if I was not teaching, I would choose to be a stay-at-home mom and probably become more hands-on in the classrooms of my kids. I have an 8-year-old who is in 3rd grade and a 5-year-old who is currently in kinder. So I think it would be fun to visit their classrooms regularly, volunteer, possibly lead the PTO, just be more hands-on in their classrooms on a daily basis. An overview of 6th grade reading here at Woodgate. We look and analyze at a variety of texts, some of which include, but not limited to, novels, magazine articles, short stories, current event articles, digital text. We try to pull a wide variety of text and blend them together to show the student how different text can connect in the same way. Different texts can have the same purposes, the same themes. The most important thing to know in order to be successful here in 6th grade is to familiarize yourself with Schoology and to pay attention to those due dates. So Schoology is pretty user-friendly, and just pay attention to those dates and check those folders regularly. As a parent, the best way to support your child is to have a login to Hack. If you are struggling with that login, please contact the front office and Mrs. Aker can help you set that up. And check it regularly and also become familiar with Schoology. Our students used Schoology a lot last year, so they are experts at that. So just get your child to sit with you at home, walking you through the Schoology course folders so that you can become familiar with all of their classes and courses as well. And my promise to students and parents this year is just to promote that love of reading in your child. The best way to reach me is through email, and please allow 24-hour turnaround on that, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. My conference period is 2:55 to 3:45, Wednesday through Friday. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be happy to answer any question that you may have, and I look forward to a great year. Thanks.